This week at Georgestone Automotive Collision and Automotive Service Technology, we got the opportunity to work on a Pensacola Pelican for the Escambia County Tax Collector's Office. The Pelican had severe sun blistering, and the clear coat had begun to peel off. Nyla Harris and Rashawn Eggleton stripped the finish off the Pelican, where we discovered that it had some severe cracks along the wings and the top of the head. Once the finish was removed, they made repairs on the Pelican using the fiberglass mesh. After the repairs, Jeremy and Joshua Bell applied the base coat to the Pelican. After the base coat, the Donate Life emblems and logos were added to the Pelican. Our emblem stencils came out a little smudged, so we brought in Elise Monroe to do some finishing touches on the Pelican. Some final touches were done on the eyes and beak. The Pelican was then clear coated and ready to deliver back to the Escambia County Tax Collector's Office. We hope you've enjoyed this week's episode. Please subscribe and like our page to see more videos from Georgestone Technical Center, Automotive Collision, and Automotive Services.